Do you want to escape from 9 to 5? Do you like writing? If your answer is yes, we'll go over some side hustles that can earn you a lot of money. So prepare for being a digital nomad, because you will be one after this video. We have prepared 5 copywriting tips for you. Writing great copy is more than a skill. It's an art form. Every business today requires high-quality, relevant, and engaging content to increase reach and conversion rates. It is difficult to constantly come up with something that will motivate customers to act. This is why there is such a high demand for content writers and copywriters. But before we get there, let us first establish a clear understanding of what copywriting is and how to become a copywriter. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the art of creating content to promote and market a specific service, product, or business. The purpose of copywriting is to persuade and influence people to take a specific action, such as subscribing to a newsletter or purchasing a product. The goal of a copywriter is to create as strong and effective a copy as possible. What does a copywriter exactly do? A copywriter writes content for various publications, intending to guide their target audience to take the desired action. This may include creating content for websites, social media posts, emails, blog posts, sales pages, and video scripts. How much do copywriters make? Copywriters' income varies based on their level of experience. In the copywriting industry, there is a range of copywriters from those just starting to highly experienced professionals. These more experienced copywriters may charge higher rates, such as up to $1 per word or $200 per hour for their services. To create copy that effectively engages, entertains, influences, and motivates your audience, consider these 5 essential copywriting tips. 1. You need to have some detective skills. To create effective copy that resonates with your target audience, it's important to thoroughly understand them. This includes their fears and desires, as well as their demographic characteristics, such as gender, age, and communication style. By knowing these details, you can tailor your copy to be familiar and comfortable to the consumer. 2. You need to understand human psychology. As a marketer, understanding the psychology of your audience is crucial in creating effective and persuasive content. People tend to react to certain phrases, colors, images, and instructions in predictable ways, and successful brands often use these psychological tactics to shape our perception of their products. By studying and applying these techniques in your work, you can create compelling copy that speaks to your audience on a deeper level and motivates them to take action. It's important to remember that every person is unique and has their own thoughts, feelings, and motivations. So it's essential to tailor your copy to appeal to your specific target audience. 3. Use storytelling to influence your audience. Storytelling is a powerful technique in marketing because it elicits emotional responses from the audience. When we feel something, it can inspire us to take action. In the past, marketing tactics were often more straightforward and focused on slogans and catchphrases. However, as consumers have become more savvy and sophisticated, companies have had to adapt their marketing strategies to be more subtle and subtly influence the way we feel about their products. Many successful brands now use stories to sell their products because they know that a well-told story can create a deeper connection with the reader and motivate them to take action. When creating content for your business, consider using storytelling as a way to engage and influence your audience. This can be especially effective for small businesses looking to establish a personal connection with their customers and build a loyal following. By weaving a compelling narrative into your marketing efforts, you can create a more powerful and memorable message that resonates with your audience on a deeper level. 4. Always remain honest and authentic. Effective copywriting is about building trust and relationships with your audience through the words you use. People are more likely to buy from those they trust. So, it's essential to be genuine and authentic in your copywriting efforts. It may be tempting to try and act like someone else or use language that you think will appeal to your audience. But this can backfire, as people can sense insincerity. Instead, use your voice and language to communicate with your audience and establish a genuine and authentic connection with them. In addition to being yourself, it's also important to use language that speaks to your audience in an everyday manner. This means using words and phrases they will understand and be able to relate to. By doing this, you can create a more powerful and memorable message that motivates them to take action. Remember, the goal of copywriting is to connect with your audience and persuade them to take action. By being genuine and authentic, you can create a deeper connection with your audience and deliver a message that resonates with them on a personal level. So, be yourself and use language that speaks to your audience in an everyday manner to build trust and authenticity, and create a more powerful and memorable message. 5. Choosing the right words is only half the battle. When writing for the web, it's important to keep in mind that people generally only read a small percentage of the content on a page. As a writer, it's your job to keep readers engaged and interested in your message. To do this, focus on using clear and concise language, and make sure each sentence has a purpose. The appearance of your words also plays a role in the effectiveness of your writing. Consider the design of your website, adverts, and other marketing materials, including the size and type of fonts, the quality of supporting images, and the spacing of paragraphs. These elements can help make your message more appealing and easier to read. By paying attention to these details, you can create a more engaging and effective message for your audience. Copywriting is a rewarding and in-demand career that involves creating compelling words to attract and persuade readers about a product or service. As a copywriter, it's important to be consistent in your messaging and tone, as the need for businesses to reach and engage their audience continues to grow. So does the demand and value for skilled copywriters. While it may take some time to learn the necessary skills and techniques, the opportunities for success as a copywriter are vast. Freelance copywriters often have the most flexibility and can earn the most money by choosing their niches, clients, and rates. If you're interested in pursuing a career in copywriting, it's worth investing in the necessary education and training to set yourself up for success. That's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll see you in the next video.